Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, children, in lesson 5, that is plant reproduction, we have already discussed, we have already learned about fertilization, right? We had also discussed about structure of a seed and germination. So today we are going to discuss that how seeds are going to get dispersed. Okay, children, are you all ready? So let's begin. I'll just share my screen with you all. So, what do we mean by seed dispersal? Plants produce many seeds. What would happen if all the seeds start developing close to each other? So, if too many seeds are sown too close to each other, they will not be able to germinate. There will be a struggle for food, water, sunlight, right? Seeds will not be able to get sunlight, air, and water. Then they will not be able to grow. So that is why nature helps them in scattering the seeds and ensures that they do not close to each other. That's why there is one process that is called seed dispersal, the process by which seeds are scattered away, they are carried away from the parent plant, and this process is called seed dispersal. Seeds are dispersed by various natural agents. We had discussed in pollination also that pollens are going to be carried from anther to stigma of another plant with the help of pollinating agents. Similarly, seeds are also going to get dispersed by various natural agents such as wind, water, birds, insects, and animals. These natural agents are called agents of dispersal. Some plants also expel their seeds explosively, right? Even seed size is an important factor that determines how a seed is going to get dispersed. Let's discuss methods of seed dispersal. First one, dispersal by wind. So children, there are seeds that are small and light in weight that can easily dispersed by wind. Cotton and dandelion seeds have fine and long hair around them, so they can be easily carried away by the wind. While some seeds have a wing-like structures which is going to help them to float in the air so that they can easily float in the air. Seeds of plants such as jacaranda and maple have wings. As you can see over here, children, these are the pictures of dandelion and maple, right, children? So the seeds of maple have wings that can spin through the air like mini helicopters. This is how these seeds are going to get dispersed. Now, we will discuss about dispersal by water. So, the seeds of plants that grow in or near flowing water are generally dispersed by water. So, the lotus fruit is spongy and floats easily. So, the seeds of lotus are going to float easily, so they can be dispersed by water. Then, you all know about coconut, right? So, coconut has air trapped between these its fibers. So, this air which is present because of that, because this air is going to get trapped between its fibers, right? So they'll be able to float away from the parent plant, right? Then we have dispersal by humans and animals. So after eating, you all know we eat lychee, peach, right? Then peach, then papaya, orange, and other fruits, and we throw away their seeds. When these seeds fall on ground, they germinate, and this is in this way we help in dispersal, seed dispersal. We are going to help in seed dispersal in this manner. When birds and animals eat fruits, children, yes, The seeds are not digested but come out as droppings. So these seeds germinate in places far away from the parent plant. You can see over here one image that is of some seeds such as xanthium, it is also called as cocklebur, have hooks or spines. They stick to our clothes or to the fur of animals and then they get dispersed to distant places. So this is how seeds are going to get dispersed by humans and animals. Now we will discuss about dispersal by explosion. So children, fruits of some plants, they just simply burst open or explode when they mature and dry. See, you can see in this picture, naturally it is just going to burst open when they are going to get matured and when they will dry. This scatters the seeds away from the parent plant. And examples of such plants are poppy, geranium, pea, balsam, and gorse. Okay, children, this is how seeds are going to get dispersed by wind, water. Yes, then we had discussed through explosion, and it can also get dispersed by humans and animals. I hope whatever I had explained it to you, that is clear to you all. Thank you and have a nice day, children. Bye, children.